Hey, this is Rama from Gracious Landscape Designs and the Earthworthy Landscapes blog. Apologies for the background. The lighting, it's like happens to be the best place to get some decent light. Anyway, I wanted to make this video to give you an update on this YouTube channel because I've gone from posting somewhat regularly to inconsistently, and there's been a lot going on that I wanted to give you a little bit of update on. So, first of all, I do intend to post somewhat regularly, and I do have a lot of content in the works that I'm going to be making. The issue that I have, the main issue that I have, is I've done a lot of great designs that I want to show you, but some of them, because of my contractual agreement with the client, I can't. Because I get some clients that are like, well, I just don't want any representation of my product posted on social media, and I need to eat, so I oblige with the client. But I will have some client projects that I can show you in the coming months as soon as the projects get done, installed, and whatnot. But, however, the change that is coming to this YouTube channel, other than more content, is that I am going to be making some art-related content. This is my dilemma. I've created a website. It isn't live yet, but hopefully will be before the end of this month. And it's an art website where I'll be selling prints of my artwork. That being said, I need to take this new business now and promote it on social media. And so I had this idea that I could occasionally, once a month, make YouTube videos in regards to my art. The problem is, I don't want to create a separate art YouTube channel. I sort of did that because then that would just be a lot more work than what I'm willing to handle, or what I can realistically handle. And so what I thought of doing was once a month posting to this YouTube channel about art and trying to somehow relate that to landscape design and kind of figure it out. But I also want to post a bit more content in the sense of sustainability, sustainable living, zero waste minimalism, a little bit of also that type of content. So there's going to be some shifts and changes here and there. But my goal, if I've calculated correctly, fingers crossed, that I could at least regularly, if not every other week, or if not once a week, but at the minimum every other week, be able to post content on this platform. The biggest problem is YouTube isn't my full-time job. Designing landscapes is. And so when I'm busy designing landscapes and then deciding I want to make an art website, and then of course I have to use social media to promote myself, it's just a lot. And so sometimes making YouTube videos gets pushed on the back burner a little bit. Because I've had comments before about, so when are you going to post a new video? And it's like, I want to, I just don't have time. But I will try to be more consistent and regular in this YouTube channel. And also, I probably should be, because who knows, maybe making YouTube videos consistently will eventually lead to monetizing the channel and making some semblance of income from this channel. Because that's also the thing, that making these YouTube videos, it's not like it takes 5 minutes to shoot and make and whatnot. It takes time. So, you know. Anyway, that's my update. So stay tuned. There will be other things happening in this channel, and there will be a refresh of my patio. There's going to be a new home tour video, which has been ages since I've done that. There'll be some content about the programs I use to run my business and stuff like that, and of course some client projects and whatnot, and loads of other stuff happening that I'm going to share with you. So thank you all for being here, and feel free to subscribe below if you are new, and I will see you again next week, hopefully. Bye! Ciao!